Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2019 Jaguar I-Pace. Again, easy enough to do. At the moment it's on music. What we need to do, you see there's the sat-nav graphic, or you can just click home. You've got here navigation, you've got search, end destination. Click on search. Search for an address, place or keyword. So we're on there. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5. The Jaguar system, even though it's only 2 digits, you don't need to put a space in. So PR5 4EA, PR5 4EA, that's what we want. We click the green, return. Searching for it. Were you looking for this PR5 4EA? Of course I wasn't looking for that. That's why I've just typed all those letters in, because I wasn't looking for it. So you click on there, goes green, and then you've got to click start.
After 150 yards, you will reach your destination.
It's saying that because we're sat on the forecourt. So that's how you set the sat nav.